Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Monday, March 15, 2021. It is 6:27 and 10 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, 2D perovskite. So let's hop to it. New analysis of 2D perovskites can shape the future of solar cells and LEDs. Date March 11, 2021. Source, University of Surrey. Summary. An innovative analysis of two-dimensional 2D materials can boost the development of next-generation solar cells and LEDs. Three-dimensional perovskites have proved themselves remarkably successful materials for LED devices and solar panels in the past decade. One key issue with these materials, however, is their stability, with device performance decreasing quicker than other state-of-the-art materials. The engineering community believes a 2D variant of perovskites could provide answers to these performance issues. Researchers investigate how to improve the physical properties of 2D perovskite called Riddleson-Popper. The study analyzed the effects of combining lead with tin inside the Riddleson-Popper structure to reduce the toxic lead quantity. This also allows for the tuning of key properties, such as the wavelengths of light that the material can absorb or emit at the device level, improving the performance of photovoltaics on light-emitting diodes. There is rightly much excitement about the potential of 2D perovskites, as they can inspire sustainability revolution in many industries. Researchers believe their analysis of strengthening the performance of perovskite can play a role in improving the stability of low-cost solar energy and LEDs. As we wean ourselves away from the fossil energy sources to more sustainable alternatives, we are starting to see innovative and groundbreaking uses of materials such as perovskites. The Advanced Technology Institute is dedicated to being a strong voice in shaping a greener and more sustainable future in electronics, and our new analysis is part of this continuing discussion. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on space engineering, computer science, and advanced technology. We hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.